Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change your join settings in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch Roblox app on your device or go to roblox.com. Then tap on the more icon from the home screen. Scroll down and tap on the settings button. Select privacy and content restriction option. Choose the visibility and private servers option from here. Click on private servers. Here you have 5 options. Everyone, friends and users I follow, no one. Select who can join the private server from the given options. Roblox saves your changes automatically, so once you've selected your option, you're all set. Just exit the settings page. And that's how you can change join settings in Roblox.